Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the freezer fan cover in your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new freezer fan cover for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the freezer door, then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. In order to make filming this easier, we will be removing the freezer door. You do not have to remove the freezer door to complete this repair. Using a 3/8 inch nut driver, remove these 6 screws. Tilt the door forward and lift up and out. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the retaining slot and pry the tab up and out. Then slide the cover down to remove. If you need to purchase a new freezer fan cover, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, slide the tabs on the freezer fan cover beneath the retaining slots on the evaporator cover. Press the locking tab into the retaining slot so that the teeth on the tabs seat behind the evaporator cover. To make installing the door easier, insert a small object onto the pinion wheel track to jam the gear so that the slide brackets stay in place. Then align the tabs on the door brackets to the retainers on the slide rails and gently set in place. Reinstall the screws. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.